Hello students, exponents, class 3. First, I am going to revise the previous videos, class 1 and class 2. Let's revise class 1. A power 0 equal to 1 when power is 0. The resultant should be equal to 1. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here base is equal, a is the base and here also a is the base. Powers different, m and here n. Resultant is a power m plus n. When bases equal and powers different, and these two expressions are under the multiplication. Third, rule 3, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Here also bases equal, a is the base, here also a is the base. Bases equal, powers different, here m and here n, powers different. Here these two expressions are under the division. In that case, m minus n is the resultant, a power m minus n. Let's revise class 2. A power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. If you are observing here base a, here base b, bases are different, powers equal, m and m. In this case, you should multiply the bases and write the power, that is combined power, that is ab whole power m. When base is different and powers equal and two expressions are under the multiplication. Next, rule 5, a power m by b power m. Here also same, but it is the division. When base is different, powers same, and two expressions are under the division. In this case, resultant is a by b whole power m. That is about the class 1 and a class 2. Coming to the class 3. In this class 3, I am going to explain about the same rules. In the previous video, I explained the rules by using the numbers, but in the class 3, I am explaining the same rules by using the algebraic expressions. Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4 and Rule 5. All rules by using algebraic expressions. In this video, I am explaining the first 3 rules, and next video I will explain about the Rule 4 and Rule 5. What it is? By using algebraic expressions. Now, Rule 1. Find the value of, example problem, find the value of y power 3x minus 4 plus 4 minus 3x. Solution. Same problem. Just I remove the brackets here. Just I remove the brackets. That is 3x minus 4 plus, as usual, 4 minus 3x. Same, I remove the brackets there. Next step. Separate the like terms here. 3x x term and here also 3x like terms. Like terms are nothing but two expressions are having the same variable with equal powers. Here constant is separated. Now 3x minus 3x and minus 4 plus 4. Two same terms, but those are under the opposite signs, then you can cancel it. Minus 4 plus 4 also gets cancelled, and plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. Rest of the term is 0, that is remaining is 0. Then y power 0. Already what is the first rule? A power 0, anything power 0 equal to 1, already we discussed. Here y power 0 equal to 1. So this is the process when algebraic expressions has given. Next, rule 2. Find the value of p power 7y minus 7x into p power y minus 13x. Two expressions has given and 2 under the multiplication. Here base is equal, that is the rule 2 applicable. Now the solution is same problem I taken here. Rule 2, what is rule 2? Once observe, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Bases equal, powers different. Under the multiplication, then the resultant is a power m plus n. Here, if you compare these two, in place of a, p is there. So we can write it as a equal to p. In place of m, we have 7y minus 7x. This is. In place of n, y minus 13x. Next step, substitute these values in the given resultant. That is a power m plus n. What is a? P. M is 7y minus 7x plus n is y minus 13x. Separate the like terms here. Like terms in the sense y here y term and y term 2 are like terms, and here x term and here x term 2 like terms. Powers are same, so separate the like terms here. Plus 7y and plus y. Remove the brackets and separate the like terms. Next, minus 7x and minus 13x, these two are like terms. Add the like terms here. 7y plus y, here 1 is there, so 7 plus 1 is 8, 8y. Minus 7 minus 13, 2, same signs, add it. 7 plus 13 is 20, so given sign is 20, so that is why minus 20x. With the condition, when 2 or more numbers are having the same sign, then you should add it. The resultant should get the sign of the given numbers. Next, this is the answer, p power 8y minus 20x. Next, coming to the rule 3. This is rule 3, not rule 2. Find the value of q power 5x minus 6 by q power 2x minus 3 equal to question mark. Solution. Same problem I taken, and once observe the rule, a power m by a power n, bases equal and powers different under the division. Then resultant is a power m minus n. Same, compare these two, then you can find out the value of a equal to q, and b, m equal to 5x minus 6, and here m, it is m, and n is 2x minus 3, so this is 2x minus 3. Resultant is a power m minus n. Substitute these values in the given expression. Same problem I taken here, that is q power m minus n, that is a power m minus n, q power m is 5x minus 6 minus, already minus is there, so I kept brackets here, n is 2x minus 3. Multiply with the minus sign, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Remaining is 5x minus 6. After completion of the multiplication with the minus sign, then you can remove the brackets. Q power 5x minus 6 minus 2x plus 3. Now separate the like terms. 5x terms, 5x and minus 2x like terms. Minus 6 plus 3, 2 are like terms, that is numbers. Next, you can add the like terms. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So here condition is when 2 or more numbers are having the opposite signs, then you can subtract it, and the resultant should get the sign of the biggest number. So that is why here bigger number is 6, though resultant is minus 3. So q power 3x minus 3 is the answer. And these are the rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. how to apply the rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 for the algebraic expressions explanation. In the next video, I will explain the rule 4 and rule 5, and I will give some more introduction, some more extra formulas. Thank you, students.